Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the Garmin Instinct 2 Solar and the all-new Garmin Instinct 3 Solar. Both are rugged GPS adventure watches with incredible features, but the Instinct 3 Solar brings some notable upgrades to the table. The Instinct 2 Solar offers excellent battery life, multi-sport modes, and dependable GPS tracking. In comparison, the Instinct 3 Solar steps up with improved solar charging, multi-band GPS accuracy, and even a handy LED flashlight. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two adventure watches and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design. Both the Instinct 2 Solar and the Instinct 3 Solar stick to Garmin's rugged adventure-ready aesthetic. The biggest difference is the size. While the Instinct 2 Solar comes in two sizes, 40mm for smaller wrists and 45mm for regular ones. On the other hand, the Instinct 3 Solar only comes in the larger 45 and 50mm sizes. If you prefer a smaller watch, the Instinct 2 Solar will suit you better. The Instinct 3 Solar does add some visual flair with limited edition colors and watch bands, which might appeal to those who want a pop of personality in their outdoor gear. Other than these differences, both watches feel durable and comfortable on the wrist, ready to handle anything from rugged trails to casual outings. So if the size variety matters to you, the Instinct 2 Solar might win here. But the Instinct 3 Solar gives you fresh style options. Moving on to the hardware, the Instinct 3 Solar really pulls ahead. One of the biggest upgrades is the introduction of multi-band GPS, which improves accuracy in tricky environments like dense forests or urban canyons. It also locks onto signals faster, giving you a seamless start to your workouts. Another standout feature is the built-in LED flashlight, a small but surprisingly useful addition. Whether you're running in the dark, searching for something in a drawer, or walking the dog at night, it's a convenience you won't want to give up. The Instinct 3 Solar also improves solar charging efficiency, offering up to 130 hours of GPS use with solar, compared to just 48 hours on the Instinct 2 Solar. These hardware upgrades make the Instinct 3 Solar a more advanced companion for outdoor adventures, while the Instinct 2 Solar is still solid for general use. When it comes to performance, both watches are highly capable, but the Instinct 3 Solar takes things a step further. Thanks to multiband GPS, you get more precise tracking, especially in environments where traditional GPS can struggle, like heavily wooded trails or urban areas with tall buildings. If you've ever had a run or hike where your GPS signal felt off, the Instinct 3 Solar is likely to fix that. The solar charging upgrades also mean you can push the battery life much further during intense GPS usage, making it ideal for multi-day events or long outdoor adventures. On the other hand, if you're mostly using your watch in open areas or for shorter activities, the Instinct 2 Solar's performance is still more than adequate. In terms of speed and responsiveness, both watches handle activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, and navigation smoothly. But the Instinct 3 Solar's hardware just makes everything feel a bit more refined. In terms of software, Garmin has added a few new features to the Instinct 3 Solar. It introduces wrist-based running dynamics, letting you track advanced metrics like vertical oscillation and ground contact time without needing extra accessories. It also has improved interval tracking, load ratio, and training load focus metrics, giving you more insight into your workout balance. Sleep tracking is more advanced too, with better accuracy, nap detection, and a sleep coach to optimize your recovery. But the improvements here might not matter to everyone. If you're mostly focused on general activity tracking and training advice, the Instinct 2 Solar's software features will meet your needs just fine. But for those who love diving into detailed stats and want the latest tools, the Instinct 3 Solar offers a nice upgrade. Now let's talk about price, which is a big factor for most people. On paper, both the Instinct 2 Solar and Instinct 3 Solar have the same price of $400. But now that the Instinct 3 Solar is out, the older Instinct 2 Solar is available at significant discounts. You can often find it for $290 to $300 on Amazon, saving you $100 or more. On the flip side, the Instinct 3 Solar is brand new, so discounts are rare. If you're on a tight budget, the Instinct 2 Solar is a fantastic deal, offering great performance and features for under $300. However, if you can stretch your budget, the Instinct 3 Solar's hardware and feature upgrades make it worth the extra money, especially for serious outdoor enthusiasts or athletes who value accuracy and convenience. As for my final verdict, the Garmin Instinct 3 Solar is a top-tier adventure watch that checks a lot of boxes. Its multi-band GPS, LED flashlight, and improved solar capabilities are standout features that elevate its performance for outdoor activities. The advanced training and sleep tracking features are nice bonuses too. That being said, the Garmin Instinct 2 Solar is still an excellent choice, especially if you're on a budget or prefer a smaller watch. It delivers reliable performance, great battery life, and all the essential tracking features at a much lower price. If you need cutting-edge tech and can afford the upgrade, the Instinct 3 Solar is the way to go. But if you're looking for great value and a solid all-rounder, the Instinct 2 Solar won't disappoint.